What's going on, beautiful people? Smart and I'm back on your screen right now. Remember, we have been analyzing Bitcoin, and most of analysis has fulfilled our target. Very, very important. Go and check my previous analysis on Bitcoin, and you understand what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Right. So we are about to analyze Bitcoin again. And just so you know, Bitcoin has been dancing around the zone because, there is low liquidity and it has gotten a lot of people confused. Like, like people are saying, now what's happening to Bitcoin? Like, Bitcoin is supposed to, I've been seeing some chart analysis, people are calling long Bitcoin, saying that this is what a bullish flag pattern again, sort of, call it long Bitcoin. But, I'm going to show you my analysis right about now. As always, you want to analyze from a higher time frame perspective, and I can't overemphasize that. Go to the monthly time frame, ladies and gentlemen, to analyze the chart. Very, very important. And from a monthly time frame perspective, ladies and gentlemen, you agree with me that we are bearish on a monthly time frame perspective, but overall perspective, we are bullish. The chart is going up, as you can see. Let me show you something right here. I'm talking about the monthly candle close. We closed bearish. This is the monthly candle close right about there. Let me zoom this guy. Don't worry, I'm going to zoom it so that you will see what I'm talking about. Right. So monthly candle close. Can you see that right there? Bearish. So people are expecting Bitcoin to tank to the downside. What I mean tank, I mean sell to the downside. You get what I'm saying, right? So let me just know that. So people are, confused, by the way, but don't worry, I'm going to, analyze this guy so that you get overall perspective of what Bitcoin is doing on the long run, ladies and gentlemen, and I can overemphasize this. So as always, go to the monthly time frame. As you can see, the chart is looking up, up. Right. So remember what I said on my last video. Right, so let me just show you this guy right here. So this pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern, don't ever forget that. That's the first shoulder right there. This second is the head right there. Inverse head and shoulder pattern, and that's a reversal pattern, ladies and gentlemen. And you just wait for what the neckline. This is the neckline right here. This zone right here. This is the neckline. And what did price do? Price made a retest of the neckline. Pretty simple and straightforward. Remember, I've made this video before on my YouTube channel. You can go check that out. I think I said on my community post that Bitcoin has flipped, and before you see, few hours, you can see what massive moves, coming in. Massive liquidity, trust me, massive liquidity coming into Bitcoin, and we blew to the upside, crystal clear. You can check that out on my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so bullish flag pattern, that's exactly what I said on that video. If you haven't watched that, go and watch that and learn. You understand, very, very important. So all right, so this is on a weekly time frame perspective. So this is a 100% retracement. If you know what 100% retracement is, and in terms of chart analysis, you'll be able to depict. This is actually the first level target. So is the target right here, and this is the first level target. So, and for you to kind of like trade chart pattern, the retracement, most of the time, the retracement, it will blow to the upside to come fulfill what the retracement. That's a 100% retracement rate. So this is actually the 100% retracement, and price is actually dancing around a zone. Let me go to the lower time frame, like the daily time frame, so that you can kind of like appreciate what I'm talking about, right? So this is what I said. This is a bullish flag pattern. Let me use this guy right here so that you understand what I'm talking about right now. Right. So as always, can you see what happened? Yeah. Very, very important. Can you see that bullish flag pattern? Yeah, exactly. And go and check my community post that I made. I said this is the point that I caught long. Go and check the date, the time, everything. Can you see that point? Like Bitcoin has flipped, and Can you see the massive pump to the upside? Pretty simple and straightforward. What did I see? What did I see, ladies and gentlemen? Inverse head and shoulder pattern, a retest of the neckline. And can you see this trend line coming in? Trend line touch, the third touch of the trend line. That's where the magic happened. Very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. And I can overemphasize that. The third touch of the trend line, we can actually see a bounce off of the trend line, or we can see a break of the trend line. Then that's really going to be devastating in a lot of investors, because that's actually a break of structure. And what did you have there? We saw what? A bounce off of the trend line. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see patterns like that, load up your account and what? Long Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. And I can't overemphasize this enough. Can you see that right there? And we blew to the upside. And this is actually the 100% retracement. 100% retracement, and price is what? Tanking to the downside. And you see that right there? 100% retracement. Top-notch point right there. But people are expecting Bitcoin to blow to the upside, You get what I'm saying? Now I'm going to show you something, right? I'm going to show you a trick. That's why you have to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more, right? So Bitcoin is actually coming to make a retest of a very, very significant zone. Let me draw my Fibonacci so that you understand what I'm talking about. Let me draw my Fibonacci, ladies and gentlemen, right? So let me draw my Fibonacci right here so that you understand what is happening to Bitcoin right now. Right, so this is Fibonacci right here. From the swing low to what? The swing high. What did you see, ladies and gentlemen? What did you see, ladies and gentlemen? So price is actually reacting to the 0.38 zone right there. Can you see that? Very, very simple. Price is reacting to that zone. And remember, this has been there for a very long time. I made a community post on my Telegram channel. If you're not there, you're going to miss a lot. Go and join that Telegram channel. Because I'm a swing trader, it takes a very long time for me to see a very good opportunity in the market and what's along it. That's why you have to go join, just join in, I'm saying, because, once in a blue moon, a very good chart opportunity, a very good trading opportunity can come up and you can bang it like 500 pips, going to 1,000 pips. Very, very important. Like this setup right now. This setup is looking what? Juicy, ladies and gentlemen. Don't ever forget that, bro. So if you draw your fib right here, we're expecting market to react. I'm actually expecting market to react to what? 0.5 zone. I'm actually expecting market to react to this 0.5 zone. I don't feel this 0.3 zone is going to hold. I don't feel 0.3 zone is going to hold. But let's just see what price will do here. You get what I'm saying? Now, if this 0.3 zone hold, then, we are going to long Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just expecting something to happen, yeah? Can you see that right there? These are very simple chart analysis. So if you see a break of structure within the zone right, yeah? Remember, I'm on a daily time frame break of structure. I'm just expecting something to happen, yeah? So if you can tank break of structure within the zone, the next level target is going to be 0.5 zone. This zone right here. Can you see here? Right, exactly. That's the red bar right there. That's the second target. Very, very simple and straightforward. And I'm actually expecting something to do. Yeah, I will just need Bitcoin to do something, reversal pattern right here. Then I long Bitcoin, to what? 36K, ladies and gentlemen. And that's going to be very juicy, bro. Take it from me anytime, any day. Very, very juicy, ladies and gentlemen. So, that is exactly what I'm waiting for. And that's exactly what you should be expecting. Very, very important. So this is just a simple Bitcoin analysis. Join the Telegram channel if you want to, because when this thing is about to go up, definitely I'm not going to come on here and say that Bitcoin is about to go up. Definitely I'll drop it on my Telegram channel so that lots of people can maximize the move. Very, very important. I'm smart. If you like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel, give me a comment below. Very, very important. And share this video to somebody that's a little bit confused that Bitcoin, is it going to come down like to 15K? Send this video to that person so that that person can watch and learn what is actually happening to Bitcoin. I'm smart. Definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out and stay safe out there.